In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video using Vidnami. It's very fast, it's very easy to use, it's great for beginners. At the very end, I'm going to give you details of the 25% off and what's contained in the free marketing bonus pack. So you might as well stick around and see what's there. The link and details are below, but it's a 25% off offer for life. I'm not going to go on about that. Have a look at Vidnami first, see what you think. There's also a 14-day free trial, which you can do. So let me show you how I have made a video with Vidnami, and at some point I'll add the video that I made to the comments. Okay, today I'm going to try and do a very short review of Vidnami, which is a video making tool, which is incredibly useful for beginners. If you hang around till the end, there is a 25% off and a free marketing video course that you can download. So Vidnami, because I started making videos around about a year ago, and since then I've made hundreds of videos, but I remember being a beginner, and to be quite honest with you, probably still have a tremendous amount to learn. So I've jumped between Vidnami and Canva, which I like, and iMovie and a bunch of other tools, but I keep coming back to Vidnami. I actually quite like it. It can be incredibly looking videos with just a few clicks. So you come into Vidnami, you do create a new video. What you see here are the templates that you can choose from. So I'm going to pick this template. To use I have the script over here. It's a very short script. Add the script. I'm going to create the scenes, as you can see here. And then you can see it's automatically selected some clips for me. What I'm going to do is just review the clips. So for example, here I'm going to upload an image of my own, and I'm going to select that one. Just remove this. To upload an image, you just go and find the image you want. Actually, another one. Change the position of text. You can use this box here. I'm going to put this at the bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out unnecessary text because it makes can make the video quite long. So once you've changed the images or the video clips that you like, you then simply add your voice track. You can do auto voice, you can record your own track. This is what I usually do, or you can upload a voice track. So there's quite a few things here that you can do. So I'm not going to bore you as I read this. I'll be back to you in 1 second. So I've now recorded my voice, and now I'm going to hit preview and quickly play the video. You'll see it's 6 minutes long. I realised just how important video was for any marketer or business owner. The simple 5-step menu of template, script, scenes, voice. I'm going to change that scene. Vidnami is definitely worth looking. So there's the menu there. I'm just going to change this image. Click preview again. Hi, about a year ago, I realised just how less 5 clicks. That's it changed. So then I'm just going to download the video, and basically that's it done. So after quickly copying the Creative Commons comments to add, I'll just wait for it to download, and then I'll upload it to YouTube, obviously with my thumbnail. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Here's the details of the Vidnami offer. As I promised, it's 25% off for life if you use the link below. So it's $35 a month rather than $47. But more importantly, you've got the video Vidnami marketing bonus pack, which gives you obviously the 25% off for life, the story blocks video, music tracks, which is unlimited access to over 30,000 Storyblok music tracks, which you get free with the account. You also get this, which is, this is actually, I've been through this video traffic blueprint pack is actually really good. It just goes through all the things that you need to do for any type of video. It's incredibly useful. And then you've got how to do it for Facebook, the SEO cheat sheet, how to convert your phone into a video camera. And then if you're an agency, how you might want to find clients. It's really worth it. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll have some more videos coming up soon. So please like, comment. Obviously, if you've used Vidnami or you've got any questions about Vidnami, just leave a comment below and I'll see you soon.